Rotary Mix Productions.
Alright, so day 2 of the Subaru. We actually pulled it into the garage last night, took the RX-7 down, and put it back where it was sitting. Now we're just going to clear up some shelves, make some room, and we're going to take off all the hoses and shit off the engine and pull her out hopefully by today and get some pieces to machine shop. Alright, so I won't lie, Ethan's been doing all the work here. I've just been cleaning up space on the shelves, got the intake, the intercooler off, and he's working on the vacuum lines and whatnot for the Grimspeed oil air separator. So basically we're just going to pull all the lines off and then pull the block out, right? We're going to pull off the intake, so intake will come off and then we'll get rid of as much as we can and then we'll pull the block out when it's bare.
Think you could swap this in my adjuster?
No, we totally could.
In the back.
In the rear wheel drive with a like a Porsche transmission. Yeah. Alright, so we got this side jacked up. Wheels lifted over there. Oh yeah. Oil pan in. Drain pan, I guess. We're gonna drain the coolant. Ethan's working on the AC lines right now, it sounds like. And we'll see where we're at. Alright, so I've got the coolant drain in. Where are you at up here?
Oh no, I'm pulling off the alternator and shit.
Oh, alternator and compressor.
Yeah, we won't pull the timing off till we get it out.
Is this engine gonna be out end of the day, done, fixed, back in?
Definitely not.
It'll be out in the park by the end of the day.
That's what we're going for.
Correctly out now?
No, definitely
About
incorrectly.
an hour and a half, we'll get bored and just cut the front half of the car off.
Yeah.
Right here. That's my old motor.
We're doing a upgrade to the LM7 over there. Totally. Totes. Yeah, it needs everything. But we're not gonna put new cam bearings in, right?
I told him to put new cam bearings.
We're not
He
putting
didn't
new
want
cam. No, you mean him. You mean me. This is our Subaru swap. No cam bearings. Just toss her in. Okay. Let's see here. Coolant's draining.
Easy swap.
Yeah. Totes. Totes, man. I'm gonna start working on the radiator setup. I've taken the throttle cables out. They're off to the sides. And yeah, so radiator comes out next. Let's see here. Radiator. Alright, just took the radiator out. We still have the condenser in. And that's pretty easy. It's just a series of hoses. Got one main hose. And there's a little hose floating around right here. We just plugged everything with the old spark plugs. Nice. Perfect. And then you just got these 2 clips. You got a clip here, clip here, and then of course just the 2 bolts holding in the top of the radiator with their little fasteners. And that's it. Radiator out. On to the next step. Alright, here we are. Got the intake manifold pulled off. So here's the intake for the turbo. We're looking at it backwards. This is towards the engine bay. This is away from the engine bay. And so yeah, tons of electrical, lots of harness. It was getting hung up on itself. Took us a little bit to figure that out. And here we are. Oh, we were probably also stuck on that gasket.
Yeah. No RTV on there.
Is it RTV?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's RTV
totally.
and a gasket, it looks like.
Nice. Yeah, alright, cool. So, yeah. We're gonna just start disassembling the last of the hoses connected to the block. Probably pull off the down pipe, right? Down pipe and maybe transmission. And it should just pull up all the way, right?
Cool.
In theory. Alright, so here we are under the car. We got her jacked up in the front on both sides. Hell yeah. And I'm starting to take out transmission bolts right here and over here. And then I'm gonna take out the bottom downpipe bolts from down here if I can reach them. If not, then we'll have to get them from the top. That's pretty much where we're at right now. Alright, so we're down here. Ethan just finished taking off the last trans bolt. That's pretty much it. He says that most, if not all of the stuff is taken off from up there. So we should be able to just pull her off. Quote unquote should. He's looking pretty by himself. What about this guy?
Let's get that undone. That's the last thing we need.
Yeah, the big.
Got a 14 mil.
You can't get that all. Snag that. Bar down here.
Enemy Titan has ejected.
Alright, so here we are. Everything's unbolted, engine mounts and everything. Last thing we got to do is clutch fork is held in with a, what was it, 10 millimeter Allen?
Yeah, and then we have to do something else once we get that undone.
Oh, there's a little more?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to undo that Allen that holds the clutch fork in. It's just like a big pin, if I remember right when I was looking up the forums. And I just need my camera stand, which is over here. You got it?
Slowly. It's coming out slowly.
Can you just wrap like this? Can you just yank her out?
That's coming. It's part of the way out. Yeah, it's just in there for you. Bingo.
Nice.
Just right here.
Yeah. Just don't touch it.
Exactly. So now
It should just come apart.
you want to jack that back up a little bit?
Yeah.
I'll lift the motor a little bit.
Here.
Bunch of wheels.
200,000 miles, man.
Oh yeah. You want to jack the train up a little bit more?
Yeah, I think we're loose. They're due to age. Fighting. What is that noise even?
Oh. I like something from down below.
I think it's just on the...
You just have to put pants on real quick.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Hey, no pants kind of guy. I like it.
I feel like we're fighting the splines now that that side's partially out. That's not.
Yeah, what you're saying is probably...
That's what I put that together afterwards when I was looking.
There.
There we go. There it is.
Nice. Thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna bet it was just that tight because it's probably never been out.
That's
Yeah.
my thought.
Next time you take it out, it's gonna be like done.
Alright, I think you're clear. Yeah. Pull her back.
I run diesel and I even get
Warning. Warning.
Where? What are you talking about?
Eject.
Turbo.
Oh, yeah.
Eject.
Junky.
Rather than having a catch can, he has this thing, where it like doubles as his oil cap. The excess fuel
Ready.
makes it pass, it goes right into the crank. So like, you imagine all that shit
Eject.
that Logan was catching in his catch can, just going right into his crank.
Well, yeah, dude. You've seen some of the turbos I took off. I had 300,000 miles on them. They don't look like that.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's what that is, I think.
Alright, so we got the engine out. There she be. Looking all grand as can be. And lots of oil buildup, lots of crud in there. Can't really see it, but turbo is just coated with grease. It's not good. So probably air fuel separator. This guy, air oil separator. Yeah, I've been feeling like that's been causing problems, and after seeing that, probably thinking so. Dumping all that crap back in the oil pan's just not good. So that's probably what we're seeing there. We're gonna pop these engine mounts back onto that guy over there, take off the rotary engine mount holder things, and put this on the stand.
No,
That's
for
like
this
the
last
worst.
part I forgot to put gloves on.
For the worst part of it.
Yes.
Is bad.
Should clutch this. Wait, no,
Oh, you're gonna stand on it?
yeah.
Alright.
Now sit her down.
This ain't no.
I was watching like
Hell yeah. Well, let's hold this bitch up.
Yep.
Now let's start tearing this
Go.
car down.
Toy thing.